Hi there, thank you for joining me. This is Sarah from No Hooks Given, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Summer Festival Headband. You will just need one skein of yarn. You really only need 1 ounce. I'll be using Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton. It's 100% cotton. It is a worsted weight 4 and it's really soft. It's going to help create this airy, lightweight headband, perfect for summertime, and you can cinch it down so you can make it fit your own head, which I love about that. And it's going to be great for holding back your hair, your bangs, while rocking it on the beach or festivals, walkway, just around town. All right, let's get started. So you need 1 ounce of yarn. You will also need a 4.5 millimeter hook. I'm using a clover hook. You will need a yarn needle and scissors. All right, so let's start off with making sure we're leaving a tail so we can weave in our ends, and we're going to chain 14. I'm going to be single crocheting into the second chain from the hook. Now we are going to make one little pyramid. So you're going to chain 6. You're going to single crochet into the third chain from the hook, and then double crochet in the next 3 chains. You now skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the next one. Chain up 6 to make one more little pyramid. And then repeat those steps. So you're going to single crochet into the third chain from the hook, and then double crochet in the next 3 chains. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet. And make one more little pyramid. Single crochet into the third chain, and 3 double crochets into the next 3 chains. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the last one. We have now just completed row 1. So now we're going to turn and chain up 6. We will now, in that chain 2 space, single crochet right into the top of the pyramid. Then you're going to chain 3. And jump over, and in the same chain 2 space, single crochet again. We're now connecting the triangles. Gonna give it nice support. Chain 3 and single crochet into the next top of the pyramid. You now chain 1, and you're going to double treble. So you're going to yarn over 3 times. And just go into the last single crochet of the last row. We'll now turn our work, and we're going to chain 10. You will now single crochet into the top of the last pyramid, chain 6, and we're going to now make a little pyramid. So you're going to single crochet in the third chain and double crochet in the next 3. Now, in the single crochet on top of the last pyramid, you're going to single crochet into that too. And make one more little pyramid. Make sure you don't go into the second chain from that cord. 3, 4, 5, or make sure you actually chain 6. All right, and then when you get over here, you're going to single crochet in the top of that last pyramid. You can now chain 6. And you're going to double treble 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 5th chain of the last row. We will now turn our work. You're going to chain 1 and single crochet into the top of that, and then chain 3. We're going to single crochet in that chain 2 space, chain 3, single crochet into the top of that chain 2 space, chain 3, and you're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to single crochet right into the top of that. Now you're going to turn your work. You're going to chain 1 and single crochet into the first stitch and make one little pyramid. And repeat those steps for the little pyramid. All right, and now you're going to repeat just as we did in that first row. Chain up 6, chain 1, and double crochet, or double treble, that treble. And there we go. If you would like to complete your headband, head over to my blog for the free pattern of this. Find out how to do the backing and put it all together. Or you can also buy the pattern in my Etsy and Ravelry shop. It will be $2.50. great price, and it's condensed. That way you can actually print it out, the printable PDF. All right, hope to see you soon on my blog, nohooksgiven.com. Thank you so much.